In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view responses submitted to your Google form. Let's get started by opening your Google form. You can do this from Google Drive by locating the form file, or by going to the Google Forms homepage and selecting it from your list of recent forms. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles. If the form opens in a preview window that looks like what respondents see, return to the editor view so you can access the responses. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the form title at the top and the main editing interface below it. Once your form is open, look toward the top center of the screen for the tabs across the header. Click the one labeled Responses. It sits alongside the Editing tab and is easy to spot. This doesn't change anything your respondents will see. It simply switches your view from building the form to reviewing the data it's collected. If the tab looks empty or shows 0 results, that means no one has submitted yet, and that's okay. Responses will appear here as soon as they come in. After you click Responses, the main area will display the information that's been submitted. At the top, you'll see a total count of responses. Below that, Forms organizes the data into clear, readable sections. Expect automatically generated charts for multiple choice and checkbox questions, along with lists or summaries for short answer and paragraph questions. You'll also notice timestamps that show when submissions were received, which helps you understand the flow of responses over time. Everything updates in real time, so if someone submits the form while you're viewing this page, the totals and charts will refresh to reflect the new data. If you were expecting responses but don't see them, double-check that you've opened the correct form file and not a duplicate or an earlier draft. Also verify that you're logged into the account that owns or edits the form. Only collaborators with editing access can view this page, so keep that in mind if you're working with a team. That's all there is to it. Open your Google form, click the Responses tab at the top, and review the submitted answers right in the main area. It's a quick and reliable way to monitor feedback, track participation, and understand results as they come in. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay organized and confident when reviewing your Google Form responses.